A thirsty parent searches everywhere for water. She finally spots a tiny pit, and the moment she leans down, she falls straight inside. Suddenly, thousands of sticky fish latch onto her body. Panicked, she runs to her baby for help. The baby parrot pours water from a small bowl, but nothing works. The fish won't move. With no time left, the baby calls the rescue team. They rush in, spray high-pressure water, and slowly peel the fish away one by one. Finally, the parrot is safe, and the baby hugs her tightly, relieved the nightmare is over.